Hello guys, this is Bastian from Australia, and this is an LG washing machine, and it's an 8.5 kilo. That's the model over there, and this is the detergent drawer, and this spins a higher speed than like washing machines like these ones.
How much laundry have you got there? You got a full load?
Yeah, and it fits the door's locked, see? And this is the detergent drawer.
Okay, we're going to put some in?
Yep.
Maybe you need some help with that.
And this is detergent and softener. That's too much. And put it in the detergent drawer, and that's enough. Don't put a lot in there, otherwise the washing machine won't work. Okay, now put it on. If you want an LG front loader, you get this. This is an LG washing machine, though you can every cycle you want, and you can think your cycle, that's 30. And if you want to put it on no spin, just put it on there if you want to spin it. Or there.
You want it to spin fast.
So.
Not too fast.
So.
That'll do. That'll do.
Yeah. And this washing machine makes a high speed. That's because of the door switch. That's why that's here. See that little hole?
Yep. Okay, you ready to start?
So, and when it turns off, it goes like this.
You're going to do a wash?
Yep. And then this, when it turns on, it goes like this.
Okay, let's do a wash.
And you can do like your cycle. Or
Sorry, what was that?
you can put it on hand wash.
Okay. That is hand wash.
Or 30.
Yep.
Or wool.
Okay.
And you can put it on 30.
Alright, let's put it on for 30. Come on. What else now?
So you press start, and when you press start again, it goes and it starts to lock it, and then
Go for it.
and it
Press
will,
start.
and it will spin very fast.
Okay.
So it sprays water the well when it goes on there. It goes on there. When it goes on there, it starts.
Hey Bastian,
to
why don't you press start?
Okay. Is it locked?
It's locked.
Okay. So you delete your cycle.
Yeah, we've already done that.
So you delete your cycle.
You just love
already.
explaining it, don't you?
So now press start. And look inside the drum. It starts to spin. See? It washes a flank like middle. So this is the that thinks they look at the detergent and look inside
It's
there.
filling up with water.
The water, and look inside here.
No, I don't think you should open that because that's filling up with water, see?
See?
Close it, close it.
It makes.
That's it, come on. Say bye to everyone, thanks for listening.
So bye everyone, thanks for listening, and come back to my video and enjoy my another washing machine and dryer video. And this is a dryer.
What was your name again? So everybody knows?
Hello, my name
No, we're
is.
saying bye now.
No, let's do another video.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll do another video another time, okay? Say bye everyone.
Bye everyone.